Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a close look at the best Puffco hot knife dab tool, the NLBFOU electric hot knife kit for grooving, sculpting, and cutting. If you're into DIY projects or need a powerful tool for cutting through foam, this product might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The NLBFOU electric hot knife kit comes in a sleek blue color and is built with high-quality materials, including a nickel-chromium alloy blade. It's equipped with a powerful 200-watt motor that operates on a 110 to 120 volts power source, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're cutting styrofoam, XPS, EPS, EVA, or other types of foam and insulation materials, this tool gets the job done effortlessly. One of the standout features of this hot knife is its air-cooled technology. Most hot knives on the market require frequent breaks due to overheating, but the NLBFOU's dual fans ensure continuous use for up to 120 minutes. That's right, no more waiting for your tool to cool down during long sessions. This feature significantly boosts your productivity and allows you to tackle larger projects with ease. Now, let's talk about versatility. The NLBFOU kit includes 5 blades, each designed for different cutting needs. You get 3 12-inch bendable blades, a 6-inch straight blade, and an 8-inch straight blade, all of which can easily be swapped out thanks to the tool's user-friendly design. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply loosen the screw, insert the blade, and you're ready to go. Whether you're sculpting foam for crafts or cutting grooves for plumbing and wiring, this tool handles it all. The kit doesn't just stop at the knife and blades. It also comes with a steel ruler, an auxiliary limit plate, and even a portable carrying case for easy storage and transport. This makes it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want everything in one compact kit. In terms of performance, the NLBFOU electric hot knife kit excels in its cutting precision and ease of use. It's a great addition to any workshop, especially if you need to make precise cuts for insulation, foam modeling, or crown molding. The included accessories and the air-cooled feature ensure that you can work on your projects without interruptions. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this tool is built to handle a variety of tasks. Its 200-watt motor provides enough power to cut through even the toughest materials, while the air-cooled technology ensures that it stays at the perfect temperature for extended use. Plus, with the quality assurance from NLBFOU, you can rest easy knowing that this product has been rigorously tested to meet performance standards. In conclusion, if you're looking for a hot knife that offers reliability, precision, and continuous performance, the NLBFOU electric hot knife kit is an excellent choice. With its impressive set of features and comprehensive accessories, it's perfect for both professional and personal use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.